good morning everybody. Today is a vlog and I am very, very sick. Like physically I feel fine, but it's just, apologize for the way I look, and you know, you get to see my really red nose, which is always fun. I really wanted to at least get some kind of video up for you guys, so that's why we're just doing this vlog today, and we haven't vlogged in a while. If you guys can see behind me, this is, hold on, this is kind of what is going on at the moment. Let me turn on a light here. I don't know if that did it. Oh, okay, that's better. That's a little better. My sister's not here, but my dad said it was all right that I could use her desk for now until I get a new desk. And it was just sitting upstairs, you know, collecting dust. So I am using her desk right now. We brought it down. It's like one of these glass desks from IKEA. I really want to get myself one of these. If I go to IKEA, I need to go do some shopping. This is kind of where I have all of my art stuff at the moment. I need to clear out that storage room that's over there. So I have to have another desk because this one wasn't just going to be, this one was not going to be enough to try and organize things. So since I brought this one down, this is not working out like how I have this one now. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this, because this little cart right here I need like right by my side when I'm working on things, because it literally has all of the stuff that I tend to use all the time. So if I bring this desk further in, this is just going to, you know, not give me as much space. So what I was thinking was taking my bookshelf right here, which really sucks because I just had organized this and put everything nicely together. I'm taking all the books out because I cannot move that bookshelf unless all these books are off because it's way too heavy. And I want to put it in the living room area over here. And I don't think I showed you guys last time, and I'm really sorry, it looks really weird, but there is, this is where I got the hammies. And let me turn on a light. Okay, so this is where I got the hammies. The door is right here. I just put the couch over there for now because I literally have no idea what to do. A mess right here from when I filmed the last video for you guys. Like I was saying, because this TV is mounted on the wall, I got like limited space where to like put the couch, you know what I mean? Like the couch either has to go like right there, or it has to go right here, or like right here to be in front of the TV. You know, if I had a stand, I could like put it, you know, on a coffee table. I could get a coffee table, put it in any corner I would want, you know. But because it's mounted on the wall, it's just really hard to figure out what to do in here, especially with this couch. And yeah, so this is what this looks like right now. I want to take off the lights back here as well. I'm probably going to bring them to over there. I was thinking about bringing the bookshelf over here and putting it in this corner for now. And then I want to put this table in that corner right here and just move this thing right here. I don't know. I'll find a spot for it. So that's just what I'm doing right now. Just a little bit all over the place. Later we're gonna hang out with Luna. 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 You guys haven't seen Luna in a while. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Huh? What are we looking at? Okay. Going. What are you looking at? You alright? Okay. Probably saw a bird or something. Since I'm sick, I'm not like full-blown handling the hammies, but I do want to kind of check on them later. So later today we'll, you know, sit down and check on the hammies. am finally finished with at least like bringing the stuff over. You guys could tell I still have a lot of organizing to do, so I'm going to be doing that later. Max is down there. Hi. Do like a little craft tour or a tour of this on my second channel, where I'll probably just like go through all of this with you guys over there. Yeah, that's just what it looks like for right now. What are they looking at? What are you looking at? There's a big pile of leaves out there. We had snow, you guys, but everything melted, so now it's just... Oh my gosh, I sound so weird. My kids just got home, so I'm going to go and take care of them and get them something to eat and do homework and everything that I need to finish up with them. And then I will be back later.
But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na.
I'm literally laying on the floor staring at my cat. It's actually really relaxing.
Never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close.
It is 10, I think around 10 o'clock at night. I'm really tired, took some medicine already. Wow, I can't talk. But, look. Okay, he was awake. There he is. There's Gumdrop. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's just check on him. Sorry, Luna. He's drinking his water. Aww. So anyway, like I was saying before, I come near the hamster cages when I am sick, I wash my hands thoroughly. So I just don't want anything bad to happen, or I don't want to pass on anything, you know. I said I won't, you know, try and handle them or anything until I'm feeling better, but yeah, I just want to make sure. I did feed him last night, so he's got a lot of food in there still. So I don't need to feed him at the moment. Let me bring the light over.
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Everything seems to be fine. I do need to fill up his water bottle though, so that is what I'm going to go do quick.
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need.
As soon as I'm feeling better, we're gonna have to give him a cage clean. What are you doing? Sorry, I need this. Okay, so everything seems to be fine with Gumdrop. Clean out his cage and give him new toys, so that'll be exciting. It doesn't look like Patch is awake. I filled up his water bottle the other day, and I did give him new food yesterday as well, so it looks like that is good. Aw, I gave him a cheesy chew a few days back, and it looks like he's been chewing on it. I'm just definitely ready to give everyone some new bedding and a new theme. I don't know if I'm going to do a theme or not, but I'm definitely ready to, you know, clean out their cages. Also, I have my Invisaligns on right now, so probably going to be talking even more stranger. Since Patch isn't awake yet, let's go and check on Biggie Smalls. He's in my room. Yeah, the baby is in bed now, so nobody is awake. Why is nobody awake? Okay, I literally walked away and came back over, and Patch is awake. Wow. Good morning. Hi. I can't hold you today. I'm sick. Oh, I feel so bad. Don't come out of the cage. Silly. Here, let me get you some mealworms. I'm sick. I can't hold you right now. Don't get my finger. Cutie pie. Here's another one. 'Cause you're so sweet. What else do you want? Want a treat? Do you want a treat? Let's see. I really need to. Don't you go anywhere. Don't you go anywhere. Stay right there. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Silly. I'm not going to be able to do playtime tonight. I'm sick. I'm going to close this part here. Well, if he goes away. Because I just don't want him to, like, fall out. Anyway, like I was saying, what are you doing? What are you doing? I really want to go through some of my treats here and kind of maybe go shopping for some new ones and get rid of some of the older ones that they have not been really eating. Like these I don't really care for. So yeah, we might be doing that really soon. Which one should we give to Patch? See if he'll eat one of these little hearts. Where did you go? Come here. Come here. How good I got you. Take it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You really wanted that. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this around his cage too. Yeah, look what I got. I got more. Just don't come on my hand. Come here, look. Look. You smell it? I'm just gonna sprinkle some around. There we go. Yay. You found one. Hey, so you go have fun. I'm sorry. We couldn't really hang out tonight. For tomorrow I'll be fine to hold him, but just not today because I am really not feeling well, so. Oh, I thought I was gonna get some footage of Biggie Smalls tonight, but I sadly didn't. It's already 11 o'clock at night. Usually I stay up, you know, a lot later, but I really need to get some sleep because I have to get up early tomorrow and get my kids ready for school. Yeah, I'm just going to finish up a few things and then try and get some sleep. Let me take these out. Seriously, I can't talk with them in my mouth. I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really wanted to get another video out for you guys. Thought, you know, a vlog would be the perfect video just because I'm not feeling well. Just wanted to show you guys the hammies, even though we didn't get to see Biggie since he is sleeping and who knows when he's gonna wake up. He might wake up really late tonight. I don't see him anywhere. I still hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna go and try and get some sleep now. I love you guys so much, and oh my gosh, I still have to take my buns out. I almost forgot. I had my little hair buns. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye!